Node.js can be called a leader in the asynchronous runtime environment framework market. Its platform supports major portion of enterprises globally that are earning millions of dollars in revenue every year. Because so much is dependent on Node.js, it has the biggest library of packages that are a support system in the development process of mobile and web applications worldwide. As a developer, you can benefit from more than 1 million open source packages available in the NPM package registry. Well, we can't talk about 1 million, but yes, I will discuss the most popular and widely used NPM packages for Node.js. The first is PM2. Node.js is used for scaling large applications and infrastructure globally. For any Node user, process management is an essential priority. PM2 offers process management for production applications and a load balancer to help with any possible performance tweaks. It allows you to keep your applications online indefinitely, giving you the tools to reload them without having to experience any downtime. You can install PM2 by typing npm install PM2, or you can use yarn for the same. The next is socket.io. It's a library that will help you in building truly real-time bidirectional communication apps that require real-time content streams between web clients and servers. What I mean to say is that bidirectional communication channel between client and server means that whenever an event occurs, the server can push messages to clients. The idea is that the server will get it and push it to the concerned connected clients. Still confused with all these technical terms? Let me give you some examples of real-time applications. Chat app or instant messengers like WhatsApp, Facebook messengers, etc., where you do not need to refresh your website or app to receive new messages or push notifications. Like when someone tags you in a picture or Instagram or FB, you receive a notification instantly. Socket.io is used at such places for seamless bidirectional connectivity. To use the socket in your Node application, you just have to install using the npm, just say npm install socket.io, or you can give the version also, and that will give you the socket available in your Node project. Next is the body parser. It is a body parsing middleware specially built for Node.js. With this module, you can parse incoming request bodies in a middleware before your handlers, available under the request.body property. Body parser module offers 4 types of parsers. You can parse JSON, raw body parser, text body parser, or even URL encoded form body parser. You can install this module by typing npm install body parser. The next one is quite interesting, the Chalk. You'll enter the world of terminal related libraries and tools. It is an extremely simple library which is created for one simple purpose, and that is styling your terminal strings. This module helps the users to customize the response messages displayed in the terminal with different colors, which not only improves the readability but also makes it easier to detect warnings and errors. Let me show you quickly how it works. Let me install Chalk first. To install, I'll write npm install Chalk. The installation is over. Let's use it also. I'll create a chalk.js file. I'll say const chalk is equal to require, and I'm going to import the module. I'll say chalk. Let me create 2 objects here. I'll say const welcome, where I'll say chalk.green. So welcome refers to chalk.green, and warning, that will refer to chalk.red. Now I'll just say console log welcome. Inside I'll say welcome to Unattack. Again I'll say welcome success, and the next is warning. I'll say error 404, page not found. Now let's run this. I'll use node chalk.js, and you see that the messages are coming with different colors. The next one is Passport. It is popular security package and is an Express compatible authentication middleware for Node.js. Its sole purpose is to assist with authenticate requests, which is done through a large set of third-party plugins known as strategies. You can authenticate a request and provide it to Passport, which will then connect and let you manage what happens after an authentication call succeeds or fails. This is how you install the Passport library. I can say npm install Passport. Now the last one is JWT, that is JSON Web Token. JWT is an open standard for transferring or exchanging data securely, where the JSON object is used to transfer the data. With JWT, you can maintain sessions on the client side instead of storing sessions on the server. It is an excellent choice to be passed in HTML and HTTP environments due to its smaller footprint when compared to other types of tokens, and also because it is much easier to work with JWT, as JSON parsers are standard in most programming languages. You can install JWT by using npm install JSON Web Token. As a Node.js developer, these open source frameworks will help you improve your skills on delivering professional applications that are lightweight and reliable. Trust me, using the right combination of packages will propel your app development game to the next level. If you have any questions related to Node.js, drop me a comment and I will cover that topic in one of my videos along with a mention of your name. Also, if you want to learn JavaScript, React.js, TypeScript or database concepts like MySQL or MongoDB, you can check out my Udemy profile and my best-selling courses at the best discounted prices. I have added the links in the description.